Is it tasty?
This is the lamest.
Oh my
cake
gosh. He's just gonna eat the whole thing.
Ever. Yeah, one fingertip at a time.
Oh no. I don't know. I didn't think this was how it was gonna go. Should we just smash his? I want to just smash his hand into it. Smash his hand into it. He can't eat all that icing. No, you can't eat this much. Look, there's cake.
I think he's getting to the cake. You're taking a bath tonight, Buck. Oh.